I'm the Autistic Modeler, and today, we got a box from round two. I don't know what's in it, so get over here, let's open it up.
The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today.
All right, well, let me get my knife out, and let's open this up, see what we got. Gotta be careful here. All right. Got here cut. Ooh, what do we got in there? Well, look at this. Ooh, man. Good stuff here. We got our new issue Ford pickup. That's cool. Comes with a trailer. Look at that custom stuff. Neat stuff. This is going to be a cool video, huh? I like that version. This might be our version when we build it. I don't know. Cool. Let's see what else we got. Now, I like this. A lot of people think they're boring. I really like these Novas. These are the ones I remember growing up that were still on the road. You know, so I think, look at his stripes. Really neat stuff. You can do a lot with this. A lot of kids in my high school had this version. You know, so I really like these cars. Little hot rod, white letters. Cool stuff. And there's this Cougar. I like these Cougars too. Neat. I believe it's a 73 model. Not sure. It doesn't say. But I think it's a 1973 Cougar. If you know, post it down in the comments there. I like this. Neat. And then we got, oh, neat. The Mustang Funny Car Mach 1. That's cool. Wow, that is awesome. These are going to be some great videos. Great videos. Stay tuned because we're going to be doing some videos on these. I'm going to take some close-up pictures at the end of the video to show you what we got. So, new videos coming up. And as always, I appreciate you watching. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.